Okay, now here we have an equation to solve. And the first suggestion somebody gave me was square both sides. You really don't want to square both sides of this equation, because if you squared both sides, I'm going to write down small what you would get. You're going to get, on the left, you're going to get x minus 4. Then you're going to get negative 8 times the square root of x minus 4 plus 16 equals 9. This is what you would get if you square both sides of this equation, because to square this side, you got to multiply the square root of x minus 4 by the square root of x minus 4 minus 4. When you do that, you will end up with a negative 8 square root of x minus 4 in there, which means that you're no further ahead, and actually you're probably a little behind because you've still got a blame square root there. So, question, square both sides? No, we don't want that, okay? That's going to mislead you. And if you think squaring both sides, of course, gives you x minus 4 plus 16, you're going to be in even bigger trouble, because you're going to get a solution and you're probably going to believe it, but if you try to check it, it's not going to work, because you didn't follow the rules. That's not how you square a binomial. Okay, well, doesn't mean you're an evil person for doing that, it just means you messed up, and we all do that once in a while. And we get the penalties, don't we? Okay, so what we have to do here, before we square both sides, we add 4 to both sides, which gives us this. Then we can square both sides, and we're perfectly okay. Okay, we square the x minus 4, we square the 7, we get we square the square root of x minus 4. And we square the 7, we get x minus 4 equals 49, and then I just say, etc. Certainly you can solve that probably in your head. You know, add 4 to both sides, you get 53. Then you could check it out here. 53 minus 4 is 49, square root of that 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. Yeah, it checks. Now if you squared the left-hand side incorrectly, it would not check, and I wouldn't be terribly sympathetic to that attempt at a solution.